Take a look at this table. Notice the occupancies for the 3 months with the budget target set. All 3 months are higher than the budget. Let's look at room revenue now. Same story. In all 3 months, you have equaled or exceeded the budget target set. Is it time to pop the champagne? But something is just not right. Welcome to Something's Off. Don't get taken in by just what you see. Dig deeper to the actual truth. I've spent 26 years in hotel finance and learned one thing. The most dangerous numbers are the ones that look absolutely right. Your occupancy and room revenue are above budget for sure. That's what your profit and loss statement shows. But what if I told you there's something missing that's costing you thousands of dollars and it's hidden in plain sight? Something's Off is a new video series designed specifically for the hotel middle manager who wants to go beyond the surface. We aren't just looking at reports and what they show. We are looking for the glitch in the matrix. Financial statements often do not tell the whole story, but you must dig further. Let's find out what's really going on with your numbers. More importantly, what's missing? Let's look at the missing piece of the puzzle. Notice occupancies of your hotel competition. Competition are the hotels who operate in your market and who can take business away from you. They are doing a clear 20% points increase in occupancy than your hotel. Remember, you are only comparing with your budget. Your comparison, however, must be with your direct competitors. As I said, those who can take business away from you. Let's now bring in room revenue. After all, the main goal is to earn revenue. A similar story of incorrect comparison of performance with just the budget. Your competition is way ahead of you in room revenue. Remember, you are only comparing with an estimate, which is what the budget is actually. But your comparison should be with your direct competitors. Let's now see both occupancies and room revenue versus your hotel competition. It's cause for concern. Why is your competition doing so much better than you? What does this result in? It all results in one of the most important key performance indicators, market share. And what's happening? Your competition is eating your lunch, and that's how they are surging in market share. Do you want to learn more about how to boost market share itself? Watch this video on market share secrets, because in the hotel business, something is always off.